Oh my goodness. Dina, grab this. Oh my goodness. There it is. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Guys, oh my goodness. Is that Gracie? Where'd they just go?
Right above your head.
Oh my goodness, great. And there's another one. The other one's right there. There's two, so Gracie's probably right here. Where's Gracie?
Right there.
Where, Dina?
Come sit over here.
Hi, Mama. Where?
Not even Mama.
Hi, Gracie.
You're a boy.
Gracie.
You're a boy.
Come here, Gracie.
No,
Come on.
You watch out for your babies.
Come here, Gracie. Gracie, come on. Hi. Hi. Where? Hi, Gracie.
It's amazing how that tree branch moves.
Uh-oh, where'd Gracie go now?
Right there. It's being
I
pulled
see.
by the
Oh,
other
wow.
guy.
Oh, my goodness.
And then the one just flew to that other tree, but they just went right there. Wish I could like paint Gracie's toenail pink. I know that that's Gracie, but the neon pink toenail.
Wow.
But I don't
Wow,
know.
guys, yeah. Yep, all right, Dina, let's go away so we could...
I'm gonna go put this in the garbage.
Okay. Hi. Where is she now? Oh, here you are. Hi, Gracie. Hi. Hi, Gracie. Gracie. Gracie, come here. Hi. Yes. Okay. Dina, I'm going to go back here, okay? Way to go, Gracie. You watch your babies. Okay. I go right here. Hi, guys. So this is really cool. We just saw Gracie at her nest. At the nest. And we saw Gracie going to the nest with her friend. And I think I got it all on tape. Not 100% sure, though. So we're really, really looking forward to this. Okay, guys? Right now I'm just waiting, and I hope this phone is not upside down. Oh no, I think it's good. Let's see, there's beautiful mommy. Oh, Dina, look. Yeah. And this is like amazing. Oh wow, oh my goodness, Gracie, oh my goodness, I hope we got that. Yes, I hope I got it.
The people in the car just smiled. They just saw the whole thing. But look, the other one, look, just flew to the tree.
Hey, Gracie.
Give it
Go to
to
your
Mama.
babies.
Give it to the mama.
Go to your babies.
Where's your mama?
Hi.
I just saw her fly up
Gracie
to the branch
and
before
his-
it, and then she hopped up. I don't know if she's in. Yep, she's in the nest. She made it in.
Wow.
Come over here so you can see her tail.
Dina, where is it? I can't see it.
Not the mama, I can see the tail.
Oh, there it is. Yep. You see the tail. Thank you, God. Okay. Do you want to go back?
Yeah.
Hi,
Come
Gracie.
on, Bella Maggie.
Hi.
Are you gonna go back up? Can you take the dog?
Yes, I'll take them. Come on, Bella Maggie. Come on, Bella Maggie.
Come on, Maggie.
Come on, Bella Maggie. Come on. Let's go home. We're going to go home. Gracie,
Yes,
take another. Gracie, take another.
Now you should.
Come on, guys.